If you would like a chance to win this car, here's how. Welcome to Toy Explorers, and today's toy we are exploring is the 3 King Hyperwheel RC Stunt Car. Richard, take this out of the box.
My pleasure.
That's one way to do it. Other than needing 2 AA batteries for the controller, it should be good to go right out of the box.
Battery compartment.
Battery. Let's test it out.
Power on.
Power on.
And
whoop, it works. Testing this on the table, probably not the best idea.
so let's go explore this somewhere else.
That was fun. Welcome back. Now, before we get into the price of this RC car, let's do an honest review.
Now this car has 2 modes, off and full power.
Trying to make this RC car go straight is almost impossible.
Yeah, it's very hard to steer. One of my favorite qualities about it is it's very durable. We launched this down many flights of stairs and nothing. I mean, the wheels are made for it. Now this toy is recommended for ages 6 to 12, but...
Do it, go get him. Oh. Oh.
We had fun.
It says it in the instructions not to use it in puddles, mud, or sand, but we did that anyway, and it works just fine afterward.
The price is only $26.99.
If you want to buy this car and support our channel, click on the link in the description below, and this will take you to Amazon where you can buy this car, and just a little bit of your proceeds will go to our channel.
And whatever money we get from Amazon, it just goes into buying more toys that we get to explore for you guys.
If you would like a chance to win this car, here's how.
Once we hit 100 subscribers, we are doing a giveaway.
And we will pick one of our first 100 subscribers to win not this car, but a new one. Subscribe now and comment RC car in the comments below, and you'll be entered to win an RC car from us.
If your kid's not into race cars, check out one of these videos that we've done previously.
Thanks for exploring with us,
And we'll see you next time.